Yan, what is this?
Cherry.
Cherry, very good. What is this in the picture? What's this?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, very good.
Peach.
What is this? This is
Peach.
peach, very good. What's this?
Coconut.
What's this?
Coconut.
Coconut, very good. What is this?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate, very good. What is this? What?
Avocado.
Avocado, very good. Lagi mo, dali. What is this? What is this?
Strawberry.
Garlic
Peach.
blood, garlic blood.
Black.
Okay, very good. What's this? White
White.
radish. White radish. Dali. What's this? Pea, very good. What is this?
Carrot.
Cauliflower, very good. Ang galing ah. What's this? Lychee, lychee. Very good. What is this? Lemon. What is this? Melon, very good. Ang galing ah.
Wow.
What's this? This one. Ginger, ang galing ah. What's this? Onion, very good. What's this? What's this? What's this? Mango, ang galing. What is this? Cherry tomato, very good. What's this? Strawberry, very good. What's this? Cabbage, very good. What is this?
Kiwi.
Kiwi, very good. What is this?
Pomegranate.
No. Pitaya. Pitaya or dragon fruit. What is this? Orange, very good. What is this?
Grape.
Grapes, very good. What is this?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate, very good. What's this?
Pumpkin.
This sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. What is this?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. What is this?
Cabbage.
No, not cabbage. Is spinach. Spinach, very good. What is this? Corn. What is this? What is this?
Llama.
Lime, very good. What is this?
Plum.
Prawn. Yes, very good. Prawn. What is this? What is this? Ano yan? Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Ano tawag dito?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Very good. Ang galing ni siya na.